Hey guys, good morning. This is Vinod. A quick view on Bank Nifty today's settlement. Now, if you could see the Bank Nifty 20,800 put of 4th June, that is today's expiry, and if you see the spot 20,440. Now 20,800 minus 20,450 will give us 350, right? So but the option is trading at 246. That's why I placed a buy order, but it's not getting executed. If at all it gets executed straight away, there's a possibility of getting 100 to 150 points profit by end of the day, because whenever the put premium you calculate, it has to be 20,800 minus the spot. That is, the difference will be the actual premium on the expiry day, right? So such an opportunities are arising because there is some sort of problem in exchange. That's why the valuations of options are not good, and even if the order is placed, it's not getting executed. But if it gets executed, it is well and good, because I could book my 21,200 put at a enormous price. If you could see that today high, even on the chart of Bank Nifty 21,200, you can check it is only 695, but I would sell this particular stock at 700. Now as market this is a square off trade what I did, because I was having some put, and when I found the discrepancy, immediately I placed order. Luckily it got executed, so I could make some money out of it, because 21,200 minus 700, it should be 21,500. That time when I did, Bank Nifty was more than 21,550, 600. So I saw the discrepancy and then booked this profit. So that's how, whenever there's a discrepancy like this, there's no harm in making a try, and at the same time you need to take care of the risk involved in such an opportunity. Happy trading. Thank you.